Have you ever wondered how to make the rest of 2024 truly count? Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful tips to turn this year into something memorable and fulfilling. First, set clear, achievable goals. Whether it's personal growth, career advancement, or building better relationships, having a roadmap helps you stay focused and motivated. Next, embrace a positive mindset. Challenges are inevitable, but how you respond to them makes all the difference. Practice gratitude, stay optimistic, and remember that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Third, prioritize self-care. Your physical and mental health are the foundation for everything else. Take time to exercise, eat well, and recharge. You can't pour from an empty cup. Fourth, invest in your relationships. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who lift you up. Make time for meaningful connections and be present in the moments you share. Finally, take action. Ideas and plans are great, but they mean nothing without execution. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Let's make the rest of 2024 the best part of the year. Remember, it's never too late to create the life you want. What's one step you're taking today to make 2024 worthwhile? Share it in the comments below, and let's inspire each other. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motivational content. Let's make every moment count.